Good morning.
Good morning.
Y'all ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Where we going?
Hurricane Harbor. Hurricane Harbor.
Oh, TJ said no.
Hurricane Harbor.
Hurricane Harbor.
Hurricane Harbor. I'm the only one with a bathing suit on.
No one needs a bathing suit. I'm a cowboy today.
Yeah.
That's mine.
I don't
I'm
care.
a cowgirl. I ain't got no hat.
So y'all gonna go on all the rides?
Yeah, but I'm not going to snake.
That snake ride. I'm with you too. I ain't going on that
We
either.
all going on a snake ride.
No, I'm not going on a snake ride.
Everyone has to get on all the rides because that's
No.
what.
I'm
that's
not
what-
going on a
That's
ride.
what was
It's just a
purchased.
ride.
All the rides
No.
were purchased, so you must get on all rides.
I'm not going on no snake ride. I do not do snakes. I don't like snakes. I don't care if it's just a ride. I don't care.
Nah, we're going on the ride. Zaya, you're not scared, right?
Oh.
Yeah, the boys ain't scared. The girls are punks.
Give me five, Maya. We ain't going.
That's the scaredy cat crew.
Oh well. I don't care.
All you're going to do is you're inside the body and then you come straight out.
Yeah.
I don't care.
This hat look cool too.
No, it looks tacky.
Y'all tell me what y'all think of my cowboy hat. I'm about to start wearing this every day. You hear?
No. Say no.
Like I was from Texas.
No.
That's what they do in Texas, right? They wear cowboy hats.
No. Right?
We gonna have a great day today. I tell you that.
Yeah, and Biz is coming.
Yeah,
Biz and
Tiff,
Tiffany.
and his niece is coming too.
Oh yeah?
He's bringing his niece.
Oh, that's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be. We gonna have a good time.
Yes. I can't wait.
Or,
Yes. So we'll see y'all when we get there. See y'all later.
peace.
Peace out.
Peace out. Hey guys, we here. Woo woo.
We made it.
Yay! Who's ready to get wet?
Me, I want to get wet. I want to go in the pool.
Lazy River. Oh, hi TJ. You up, Papa? You up?
Lazy River. Lazy River. Lazy River. Lazy River.
I'm definitely not getting in the lazy river.
Why not?
Not until I pass out. I'm getting on
Please
every
get
ride.
in the lazy river, please.
We'll get a king to car.
Yeah, that King of Car is big.
Yo, this hat is really fly, man.
No, it's not. This shit is ugly.
I'm wearing this all
Give me
week.
my hat.
I'm wearing this hat all
My
week.
hat. My hat. I bought mine. I bought that hat. No.
It's my hat now.
What?
How about that?
Ow. I didn't hit you.
Y'all better be nice. Say,
Hi guys.
they fiending to get into the water.
I'm hot in here.
Look at the crew back there. That's Biz, Tiffany, and Biz's niece.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi.
What?
What's up?
What'd you say?
You look good, babe.
No, I don't. Y'all want to go on the lazy river now?
Yes. I'm hot in here. I'm hot. Can we please go on the lazy river?
Y'all want to go on the lazy river?
Yes.
Yes. They want to go on the lazy river. All right, so we'll just jump start to the lazy river, okay?
Yes. Watch out.
Babe, they want to go on the lazy river.
She said, Ben said that you gotta rent the tubes.
You do?
I think so.
For real?
I saw a sign that said that. I'm not sure.
Oh, I've never been here before.
So if I just get in the lazy
No.
river, then what? With no tubes.
Now you good. You get in the
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh God, here go Maya. Maya, what you want?
I want something that, remember the tube?
What?
Remember? Like you swim on the water? I got green from here.
Yeah, right.
Go.
No.
Wait, where you going?
The screen protection with the
Yeah, so I know you're gonna get that for school, okay? For school, you get that.
Can I get that? No.
That's for
I'm
girls.
just playing. I'm just playing.
For girls. Babe, where is it? I have no idea.
Ask somebody.
All right, hold
Look,
on.
she works here. Ask her.
All right, hold on.
Boom. Say what's up to the people. Say what's up, Tim.
Hey. Yeah, I can see.
All right. What's the
Oh, I want
difference?
the goggles. I want goggles.
She'll take it.
I want goggles.
American flag.
Yeah. Can we have goggles?
Yeah, because I'm trying to.
Hey, stop it, Maya. Hurricane Harbor. Maya, oh camera. Say
No, you can
hi.
on my phone is waterproof.
We're going. We're just gonna get a screen protection for my mom's phone, iPhone 7, just in case, even though her phone is waterproof.
After season pass, would be like 5 days.
All right. Are we ready finally? All right. Ready, Mom?
Come on.
Look at this. Say hi, Maya. Maya, say hi. Say hi again. Say hi.
What's up?
You can have the phone. I mean, if you gotta keep it straight.
Like this.
What's up?
Oh.
What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Here, Mom. Oh, my bad.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, you want to take the camera?
Don't look.
Huh? It's not a selfie. You have to talk to the people.
I am. What's up, everyone? We're in
A water park.
Say hi.
It doesn't go like that. It goes like this. We're in Hurricane Harbor. Say Hurricane Harbor. Oh snap! We got to go in the Lazy River. Right, we going to the Lazy River. Maya, right? We're going to the Lazy River. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Go get
Here,
TJ.
Tippus.
TJ's over there.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
You play with the sand.
Play with the sand, TJ. I don't know if you guys can see.
Come on, TJ.
Sand?
Divina.
Here, let's wipe that off for you.
Look at him. He's like
Keep playing with the sand.
Come on, TJ. Ooh. Here, Mom.
Oh, God. I can't even see myself.
Exactly. I'm going to Lazy River.
All right. Wait, Maya, let me. Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.